What's up, my friends? I am back with another video today. Obviously I'm driving and I forgot the little GoPro attachment piece that clips into on my dashboard, the little sticker there, so I'm hand holding this thing. GoPro Hero 7 is just like crazy with the image stabilization, so hopefully this looks all right. But I just wanted to talk about a topic that came up a couple days ago, something that Sarah and I experienced on our business page. First of all, just wanted to tell you guys about the podcast yesterday. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I would love some feedback on what you guys think we did right and what we didn't do right. Always love constructive feedback on this stuff, because like I said, we're just starting off the podcast. We're getting it rolling. We want to know what's working, what isn't for you guys, and if it's actually bringing you value. So please check it out and let us know what you think. So Sarah and I had a message on one of our Facebook or our Instagram pages the other day, and I thought it was really funny and I wanted to talk about it. So this message came through and it was from a brand. They aren't even photography related. It was some like workshop for, I think, real estate or something like that. And this lady messaged us and she said, hey, I have a huge opportunity for you guys. Right off the bat, she labeled it as an opportunity. We have a booked out or sold out Boston workshop class on so-and-so date, and we'd like to offer you the opportunity to come photograph it, and we can't pay you any money, but we'd like to give you exposure across our Instagram feed. And it was I was like really taken aback. Like, I know that some brands do this stuff, but this lady was basically saying that she has a booked out, sold out workshop in my city. They're from out of state. They do workshops all over. And she wants the media to be free. She wants somebody that will come in there, take their time, do the actual event for them, edit the photos, back everything up, put it in a gallery and deliver it to them in exchange for a shout out or some type of social media clout for the time. And I wanted to make a video on this. It's gonna be very quick, but I just wanted to align everybody's thinking. Whether you're a pro that's been in this for a long time and maybe you're struggling to book business in this new world of social media and internet connectiveness, if you're an amateur that's just built up a portfolio and you're trying to take it to the next level in your business, do not work for free, okay? The only time that you should be working for free is if you're trying to build up a portfolio and get into a certain type of photography that you haven't done yet. In that case, I totally support working for free. But in this case, Sarah and I are established photographers. We do not need to, we don't need any type of exposure or, basically features across your account, and it's definitely not worth our time to do that. And I'm not trying to say that we're great or anything like that. It's everybody. I believe that anybody who's a photographer who's working for free after they've already been, built up a portfolio and they have a basically showcase of their work in that field, you need to associate your name with getting paid. And if it's associated with free work at all, it's not even just totally about the money. I've talked about this in other videos. It's about that respect level that people have for people who just work for free. And it's very, very low. People do not respect people who don't value their work enough to charge for it. And it's like I said, you can't pay the bills off of exposure, Can I go to my bank and say, hey, listen, sorry, I can't pay the mortgage this month with cash, but I do have exposure dollars? No, absolutely not. You don't have that type of, that's not the economy that we live in. Things are valued by money, and like it or not, that's just how things are. So I just wanted to remind you guys, do not work for free unless you're at a point where you're just trying to gain portfolio. In that case, it's not really for free. You're getting something out of it, because you're gaining a portfolio where you're going to be able to charge later on. But get out of that free work as soon as possible, and do not let any brands on social media or anything like that basically manipulate you or dupe you into thinking that it's going to be a turnaround for you to give them exposure and do their work just so they can shout you out. It's not worth it at all, in my opinion. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, and hopefully that helps, because I think it's something very important, because a lot of these brands nowadays, man, they will try and get you to do work for free. So realign the way you think about this, in my opinion, guys. Hope you're having a good day, and I will talk to you soon.